Is there anything more frustrating than trying to bring in new customers for your business? Like, seriously, it feels impossible sometimes, right? You're posting on social media, but all you hear is crickets. You tried running ads, but all you got were a couple of likes, and one was from your mom. And worst of all, you're left wondering if this whole marketing thing even works. But here's the good news, it doesn't have to be this hard. Hey, I'm Antonio Thompson from Antonio Thompson Marketing, and we help local business owners like you bring in 10 new customers a week without wasting time on stuff that just doesn't work. Here's how it works. We start by targeting your perfect customers right in your own community, right? Whether you own a salon, a landscaping business, a pest control business, a cleaning business, HVAC, a restaurant, a luxury pool business, whatever it is, we focus on the people nearby who are already searching for what you offer. Here we are in the Meta Ads Manager where we can target customers down to the city, zip code, and even street address. Let's say you want to focus, on families in your area or business owners within a 5-mile radius. We can do that. We can even get super creative by targeting based on demographics like age, income, interests, and even events like birthdays or anniversaries. Imagine sending an ad for your bakery to someone who has a birthday coming up, right? This level of precision works across industries, ensuring your brand is everywhere your customers are looking. Next, we design tailored offers that your audience just can't ignore. It might be a discounted service for first timers, a free consultation, or a buy one get one deal, right? The goal is to make them think, I need this now. And once they click on your ad, we send them to a dedicated landing page, kind of like a mini website. This is where they can grab their discount code, fill out a form for a quote, or even book an appointment. It's quick, simple, and designed to make saying yes easy for your customers. Finally, not everyone makes a decision on the spot, and that's okay. That's where our follow up system kicks in. We set up automated emails, text messages, and even voicemail reminders that keep you top of mind. It's like having a virtual assistant working around the clock. So let's say someone clicks on your ad, they visit your landing page, but doesn't schedule a service. We'll send them a friendly nudge with a reminder of your irresistible offer. This works for all kinds of businesses, from restaurants and gyms to cleaners and wedding planners. The follow up ensures that no potential customer slips through the cracks, and when they're ready to act, you're the first business they think of. Together, these three steps, targeting, irresistible offers, and follow up, create a system that drives customers straight to your door. And the best part? It's designed to run smoothly in the background, letting you focus on what you do best. Here's the deal, click the button below and schedule your free demo. It's only 15 minutes, and I'll show you exactly how we'd set up a campaign for your business to bring in more customers. No fancy talk, no complicated steps, just a clear plan to get results. Click the button below now, and let's make it happen.